Welcome to edu World Space.
We want to express this integral in six different ways. So first, let's look at the xy plane. So that's when z is equal to 0. So when z is equal to 0, got y squared is equal to 9, which means y is equal to plus or minus 3. Okay. So we also have x is equal to plus or minus 2. And if we solve for z, we get it's equal to this guy here. All right. So since we're doing z, let's put our x bounds first, then our y bounds, then our z bounds. Okay, so we got z, then we got y, then we've got x. So that's our first integral. Our second integral, well, we're going to keep the z the same, except we're going to switch these. So in this case, it's not too difficult to see. We've got -3 to 3, -2 to 2, negative square root of 9 minus y squared, 9 minus y squared, fyxz, z, x, y. Okay? Now if we look in the, let's say, xz plane, well, that's when y is equal to 0. So it means z squared is equal to 9. So z is equal to plus minus 3. X is still, it's always going to be equal to plus or minus 2. And then y is going to be plus or minus 9 minus z squared. Okay? So we're going to get very, very similar integrals here. Okay. So we do dy, dz, dx, and then we switch these integrations. Still got dz, I'm sorry, we've got dy, dx, and then dz. All right, so the last one is in the yz plane. Okay, and in the yz plane, we've got x is equal to 0. So we've got y squared plus z squared is equal to 9. So let's draw this in the yz plane. Y, z, 3, 3, -3, -3. So if we treat this as region 1, well, our x's are still ranging between +2 and -2. Our y's are going to be ranging between 3 and -3, but our z's are going to be varying up and down. So how do we solve for z? Well, we've done this once before. Okay, so f of x, y, z. So first we do dx, then let's do dy, and then dz. Or let's actually do it the way I wrote it down. Dz, and then dy. So I know my dy's, my y's are varying like this. I know my x's are varying like this. And then I see my z's are varying like this. Okay? And then if we treat this as region 2, so this is region 1 here. As region 2, I'll just do it over here. It looks very, very similar. Our x's are still ranging between 2 and -2. Our z is now ranging between 3 and -3. And our y is now ranging between 9 minus z squared and -9 minus z squared square root. So still got -3 to 3. Got square root of 9 minus z squared, -2 to 2. 9 minus z squared, got f of x, y, z, still got dx, but now we got dy, dz, and those are our 6 integrals.